How to delete someone's else Instagram account. So today I'm going to show you the easy way to delete someone else's Instagram account if they are trying to do scams or copy others' account which is illegal or doing the activities that are violating the Instagram policies. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you have to open Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. If you see the updates of Instagram, you simply need to update your app so that there will be no any kind of issues while going towards the other steps. So tap on update button and update your app easily from the Play Store or App Store. Then tap on open button and open Instagram app, then sign in to your account. Then you need to search for any particular account that you want to delete on Instagram. So let's open it. And once you search for the username and open the profile, then you need to simply tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen and select the report option. And on this page, you need to select the reason why you want to report, whether they are pretending to be someone else, or it may be under the age of 13, or it might be something else as well. So, of this three options, you have to select which one is it and try and submit it. So, for now, let's select something else. And then you'll be taken to this page, and again, you'll be asked why you are reporting this account. It might be spam, or I just don't like it, or they might be posting uh, different kinds of posts, including suicide, self injury, or eating disorders, sale of illegal or regulated goods, nudity, or sexual activity, and many more. And from this page, if you select any option here that you find helpful, then as you can see at the top, thanks for letting us know. That means we have successfully reported that user. So once you have done that, this was the second step. You can also tell your friends or family and try to follow the same steps for them as well by reporting those users. And Instagram will help us to delete your Instagram account. Once you have done that, the third step is simply you need to get back from this page. And once you have done that, you simply need to select the profile at the bottom right corner, and then once you're on this feed, select the three line icon, and at the bottom, select help. And here, report a problem and report problem without seeking. So here, select include and continue, and here briefly explain what happened or what's not working. If you are unknown about what to report problem, then you can simply copy and paste what I've written here and select the send button. Also, you can upload the screenshots or any attachment if you have any. And after certain hours, Instagram will definitely delete someone else's Instagram account. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.